Hi guys, we're here at Benzina Stables. We have a coffee and cars morning this morning. So we're here at 5 Water Road in Preston. So just up from the Homemaker Centre. Go where Northland is, turn right just past there, and here I think next to where Continental Tires used to be. So yeah, Water Road. Cars are rolling in. We start here about 9 o'clock. I'll take you for a bit of a walk through, and there's some major unveilings today. Beck's got a couple of cars here today which have not been on the road yet. This is the first day, a couple of coupes. So we'll have a look at those, and I'll give you a bit of a rundown as well. So Water Road, Preston, 9 till 12 today. Alright, Dimmy's just arrived. There we go, there's Dimmy, coffee boss. Yes, so we have coffee. Alright, I'll flip the camera around and we'll have a bit of a walk through, give you a little bit of a preview. But yeah, like I said, here till 9 till 12 today. Roll up, it's going to be a warm day, but a lot of it's indoors as well, so we're going to be out of the sun. Heaps happening, competitions. Yeah, we've got coffee, a bit of music, Kranskis are happening. So you can have your egg and bacon or Kranskis or whatever you want. Yeah, flip it around, you can have a bit of a look. So, supercars are rolling up a little bit later. Got the Ferrari here already. How we going, Dim? Hey, coffee boss is here, dishing out the coffees. Got the Lambo. We'll park it inside. So yeah, look, there's indoor parking until it gets filled up, then we just park in the streets. So come in early if you want to get a spot inside. So Benzina Stables, guys, Water Road in Preston. Captain Kranski's there. He's ready to rock and roll. All right, let's have a look, guys. This is it. All right, we'll start on one side. Like I said, we haven't even really started yet. We're still setting up. But like, come on down. How we going, boys? All right, we're doing live feed. All right, old souls. All right, cool. Sweet. All right, too easy. Come down, get some old souls merch. What do you got, man? Very nice. You got a Facebook page, mate?
I do, yeah. So Group Auto and Instagram is Group_Auto.
All right, sweet. All right, guys, look it up. Give it a like, follow. If you want some nice watches here, we'll zoom in a bit on that. There we go. All right, we've got Hot Wheels there. Heaps for everyone. All right, we've got the Benzina Stables as well. It's for you yuppies, this one right here. So we're going to fill up the whole area here. Got Jim here with his Chevelle. How you going, Jim? I haven't seen this for a while. What do you mean he's spoiling the shot here? It's on you right now. It's on you right now. Hey, Robert's getting some pointers.
He wants to put some roof on this man out.
So yeah, we're setting up here just for Benzina Stables in Water Road in Preston. Come on down, Coffee and Cars. With a bit of a twist on it today. We'll go around the inside and then we'll hit the outside. So one of my favourites, 8 Series Beamers. So if you want to see more, come on down. We're here till about 12 o'clock today. It's all happening. It's a warm morning, so we're going to start at like, I reckon, full swing a bit early. Alright, we've got music from Motobella Vespa. We're playing the tunes today. Got Steve here and Arnie, our little mascot. How you going, Arnie? Hey, he's beautiful. Hey, hey. He loves the car shows more than us, I think. Alright, let's have a look at some of these. So the two guys we've seen before, that's Frank's car there. That's his daily, actually. He drives it pretty much everywhere, every day, and this is Robert's. It's fantastic to see a lot of our club members here today as well. So if you're interested in joining the Northern Gulf Car Club, just shoot me a message. How you going? I can give you details on how it all works. Always a bit of fun. We always got something on, very social, which is what we like. Alright, now, this is actually the original GT. It's never been out before. This is the first day out. So Beck and Anthony have been working tirelessly on this thing. So this is actually a proper barn find. Hey Marco, good. So yeah, look, never been out before. This is the first day out. Manual as well. So yeah, original GT. Kind of suggested to him, don't spray it, just leave it as it is. And he's been sitting under a car cover for ages, so that's why the paint's kind of like that. But I think it adds to the character. So yeah, first time on the road. Well, in about 15 years, I reckon. So yeah, Benzina Stables, guys. Water Road in Preston. Indoors, out of the sun. How's it going?
Too bad.
Alright, now this is the other coupe. Let's go have a look at this one. This is the first one out as well. So they brought out 2 cars today.
Head up, there'll be another guy with it.
Look at that. Just had the interior redone. So you'll see this one around a fair bit as well. So I've got a few photographers out today as well. Look, it's all happening. It's a nice morning. Swing by for an hour or so. Bring the kids. So guys, we're here, Benzina Stables, Water Road in Preston. Come and have a look, give them questions, see what they're about. It'll be a good morning. Here till about 12 o'clock today, guys. Coming for a coffee.